Well, folks, I came out here to try to cut some of this unruly yard. Um, 'Cause, I mean, these trees need to be trimmed back. And I did it. It's just a start on them. I need a game plan when I come back out. See, I cut some down here, some of the branches, so I can get through this little aisle here. I call it an aisle. But you can see up top here, these aren't the tallest trees I have. These are all dwarf, folks. These are dwarfs. 22, 23 feet tall. Dwarfs. It's just how I feed the soil. I always keep enough vegetation underneath there. When I cut my trees down, I leave the um, cuttings right underneath. It feeds the trees, does a great job. Got my grape vine here, got to find a slot for it to go in. And you can see all this vegetation back here I got to deal with alongside my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful corn. Look at that. Beautiful. And these were old yellow, scraggly little pieces but they were worse than these were. These were cared for.